Welcome to Web Security Scanner Training. In this video, we will explore how this powerful tool can safeguard your web applications against security threats. The Web Security Scanner is a sophisticated tool designed to identify potential vulnerabilities in your web applications. It's tailored for use with App Engine, Google Kubernetes Engine, GKE, and Compute Engine. It works by methodically crawling through your applications. It navigates your web landscape, following every link within the scope of your provided start URLs. The scanner is meticulous in testing various user inputs and event handlers, striving to cover as much ground as possible. Currently, the Web Security Scanner only supports public URLs and IPs that are not shielded by a firewall. Web Security Scanner is a guardian against numerous common web vulnerabilities. Its capabilities are extensive and crucial for the safety of your web applications. Web Security Scanner excels in scanning and detecting a variety of common vulnerabilities. These include, but are not limited to, cross-site scripting, flash injection, mixed content like HTTP and HTTPS, and outdated and/or insecure libraries. Additionally, the Web Security Scanner corresponds with the categories listed in the OWASP Top 10. This pivotal document categorizes and offers corrective strategies for the 10 most significant security risks in web applications. To use the Web Security Scanner, the Web Security Scanner API must first be enabled. From the Google Cloud Console, expand and view the navigation menu. From the menu, select APIs and Services, and then select Library. In the search bar at the top of the page, type Web Security Scanner, then press Enter. Web Security Scanner API is displayed on the results screen. Click it to continue. Next, click the Enable button to activate the Web Security Scanner API for all projects. The Web Security Scanner API is now enabled. The Web Security Scanner can now be used to scan applications for common vulnerabilities and security issues. To view Web Security Scanner findings, the scanner must be enabled in the Security Command Center Services settings. Start by opening the navigation menu in the Google Cloud Console. After the menu expands, select Security. Under Security Command Center, select Overview to ensure you are viewing the main dashboard. Next, click the Settings icon, which may look like a gear or tools in the top right area of the screen. A list of services will display in the form of cards on the screen. Locate the Web Security Scanner card, then click the Manage Settings button on the card. The Service Enablement page will display. Here, identify the resource for which you're enabling the Web Security Scanner. It could be an organization, a folder, or a project. Under the Web Security Scanner column, click on the drop-down menu for your chosen resource, then select Enable. The Web Security Scanner is now enabled for Security Command Center, allowing you to bolster your defenses against potential vulnerabilities. Now, let's set up a new scan in the Web Security Scanner. Start by opening the navigation menu in the Google Cloud Console. Select Security from the list, then select Web Security Scanner. You will be directed to the Cloud Web Security Scanner page. Here, at the top of the page, click the button labeled New Scan. In the name field, give your scan configuration a unique name. This helps in identifying it later. The Starting URLs field will typically be pre-populated with your static IP address. If you have a domain name for your application, replace the existing IP or add the URL here. Continue to list any additional apps you want to scan that are hosted on App Engine Standard or Flexible, Compute Engine, or GKE environments. For excluded URLs, list any parts of your application that you do not want to be scanned. If there's nothing to exclude, simply move on. If your app requires authentication, select the appropriate method from the drop-down menu to allow the scanner to authenticate. With the Schedule drop-down, set how often you'd like automatic scans to run, from daily to weekly. If you need the scan traffic to come from a specific set of IP addresses, perhaps to access applications behind a firewall, click the checkbox for Run Scans from a predefined set of source IPs. For findings to be sent directly to the Security Command Center, ensure you click the checkbox for Export to Security Command Center. Finally, click Save to create your new scan configuration. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully configured a new scan in the Web Security Scanner. Although the scan has been created, it will not run automatically until you have set up a schedule. For now, the scan must be initiated manually. To start the scan, simply click the Run button. This will begin the scanning process. Given the variety and number of tests the Web Security Scanner performs, the scan may take more than 10 minutes. This duration is normal, as it thoroughly checks for vulnerabilities and security issues in your application. So, after clicking Run, feel free to continue with other tasks as the scan proceeds. Remember, the time it takes to complete the scan can vary depending on the complexity and size of your application. Once the scan is complete, you will be able to view the results and take any necessary actions based on the findings. Let's now learn how to review Web Security Scanner findings in the Security Command Center on the Google Cloud Console. Begin by navigating to the Security Command Center Findings page in your Google Cloud Console. In the Quick Filters section, select your specific Google Cloud project or organization. This ensures you are viewing the findings relevant to your current working context. Locate the Source Display Name subsection. Select Web Security Scanner. The Findings Query Results panel will update to show only findings from the Web Security Scanner. To explore the details of a specific finding, click on the finding name under the Category column. The Finding Details panel will then expand, providing a range of information. An AI-generated summary preview of the finding, offering a concise overview. The timestamp of when the event occurred, essential for tracking and response. The detection severity level, such as high, indicating the urgency of the issue, and the affected resource, clearly identifying what needs your attention. By following these steps, you can effectively review and respond to the findings from the Web Security Scanner, enhancing the security of your applications. Thanks for watching this training on Google's Web Security Scanner.